Hey, I'm Chad, and this is my shop, aka garage, although it never does get any vehicles put in it. But years ago, I started this channel to showcase the guitars that I was building, and since then, I've never posted any guitars. I just put some of my versions of the songs that were interesting to me. So if you go back and see some of those songs that I posted, you may or may not be impressed. I'm kind of not, but I post them anyway, just because it's something I enjoy doing. So I've been playing guitar for 27 years, but you wouldn't know it based on my performance. So I've moved on from trying to be a good player to being a good guitar builder. So that's what this channel is all about. It's not about me putting up, there's the mail. It's not about me putting up good covers of my favorite songs, but it's about showcasing the guitars that I build and am building. I like this to be kind of a tutorial channel. So here I am with my intro video. Hopefully if you like guitars or basses and the process behind building them, or you want to learn about how to do it, go ahead and subscribe, and feel free to send me your comments and your messages, and enjoy as I start with my first YouTube video build.